Good morning, student. In our civics lesson 1, today we are going to write our question answers in exercise. Question number 1, choose the correct option and rewrite the statements. Number first, parliamentary system of government developed in dash England, France, United States of America and Nepal. So the correct option is England. Parliamentary system of government developed in England. Second, in the presidential system, dash is the executive head. Prime Minister, Lok Sabha Speaker, President and Governor. So correct answer is President. In the presidential system, President is the executive head. Now question number 2, complete the information in the following table. Name of the institution and functions. So first, legislature. The function of legislature is to make the laws. Second, executive. The function of the executive to implement the laws. And judiciary, that is the function of judiciary is to provide justice. Now question number 3, explain the following statement with reason. First, India adopted the parliamentary system of government. Why India adopted the parliamentary system of government? Now because see, the parliamentary system of government in India is also in a way of product of their freedom movement. Indians were familiar in the system of government. Many discussions took place in the Constituent Assembly over the system of government. The framers of the Constitution made few changes in the parliamentary system to suit the Indian situation. Now second question, discussion and deliberations are important in a parliamentary system of government, because see, discussion and deliberation are an integral part of the parliamentary form of government. Questions related to the public welfare and discussion in the legislature. Members from the opposition party also take part in the discussion. Opposition parties may support the government wherever appropriate, point out shortcomings in policies and laws, put the studies, argument and questions, etc. So that's why the discussion and deliberation are important. Now question number 4, answer the following in 25 to 30 words. Question number 1, what is a responsible government? What is a responsible government? Now we are seeing the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers is responsible to the legislature for all their actions and policies. It means that the Council of Ministers has to work with the legislature. It is for this reason that the parliamentary system is known as the responsible system of government. Now second number, enumerate the characteristic of the presidential system of government. Now the characteristic of the presidential system is there. In a presidential form of government, the legislature and the executive are not directly dependent on each other. The objects of the legislature and the president are directly elected by the people. The president is the executive head and has a lot of power, including power to implement laws. Second characteristic, in spite of such a structure, the legislature and the executive keep a check on watch on each other. This mutual control over each other can lead to a responsible government. These two are the characteristics of the presidential system. Question number 5, why is the role of opposition parties important? Write your own opinion. Just you have to explain this answer with your own, but just I am giving the summary. In the members from the opposition party also take part in this discussion. Opposition parties may support the government wherever appropriate, point out shortcoming in policies and laws, put up studies, arguments and questions, etc. This helps the legislature to make proper law. That's why the opposition party is important in the parliament. So dear student, you have to write down these question answers in your notebook.